AI has advanced tremendously in recent years. Unfortunately, this has occurred across a myriad of incompatible frameworks for building models, incompatible infrastructure for compiling these models into efficient representations, and incompatible hardware for running these models under the hood. This persisting fragmentation leads to many problems for both AI builders and AI consumers. Firstly, builders constantly find great open source tools and models which they simply can't integrate into their own projects. If an important library, layer, or model only exists in another framework, then painful and error-prone reimplementations must be attempted. Secondly, even if these problems are overcome and a model shows promise, taking this from an initial prototype to a high-performance, production-grade application is a complex and overwhelming process. Your framework only connects to a subset of the stack below. As a result, many cutting-edge technologies are simply inaccessible to you. Getting the best runtime efficiency for your model is therefore, inevitably, a losing game. This inefficiency results in frustratingly slow applications for the end user and extortionate running costs to keep your model running on the server. Finally, for the multitude of developer tools built on top of this stack, huge engineering effort is spent just trying to keep them up to date with all of the ever-changing frameworks, infrastructure, and hardware below. None of this is sustainable, and the AI stack can never reach its true potential unless things change drastically. By connecting all of these components together in one simple and scalable design, Ivy solves all of these problems simultaneously. Bring any model into your training pipeline with one line of code. Bring any library into your training pipeline with one line of code. Take your trained model and reach lightning-fast performance on the optimal hardware with one line of code. Combined, this opens the door to a new era of AI, where all frameworks, infrastructure, and hardware are totally interoperable once and for all. For builders, Ivy enables them to experiment effortlessly during model training and fine-tuning, unlocking speed of thought innovation. For teams creating awesome applications, Ivy enables them to deploy with lightning-fast performance, creating stellar user experiences at a fraction of the cost. For those creating new developer tools on top of this fragmented stack, Ivy enables them to build universally, focusing entirely on their tool and not worrying about trying to keep up with all of the frameworks, infrastructure, and hardware. We have you covered. Ivy's fully featured 100% free pilot access is out now. Try it for yourself and see what one line of code can do for you. Pip install Ivy, and together, finally, let's unify AI.